Hey guys, this is Shaggy's Auto Repair. Just wanted to let you guys know a little update on a truck I'm doing. It's a 2000, or no, it's a 1996 Pathfinder. Just got done replacing the valve body, gaskets, and a sensor underneath the manifold. Take a look. Finished product. Now I'm just putting everything back together. But I wanted to let you know about the valve body screws. If your screws are like this, okay, it's incorrect. You want them to flip around, and you want them to be like this with the rubber, so that when you put them down in there, you screw them down and the rubber contacts the valve body. That way it tightens down properly. All right, have a good day.